Okay, go now. Go. Go.
You talk, please.
Yeah, I know. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're just going to be chasing the garbage truck with my scooter. And yeah.
A few moments later.
Yeah. So I hope you're having a perfect day. And yeah. So hope your children, family and stuff is having a great day.
No. 5 minutes later.
Sorry that the tree's in the way.
Oh, hi. Thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
There, you can see it. Go there, then up, then down, and yeah. Oh, dang! Dang, I was too late.
5 minutes later.
That's a movie theater? Oh, that's nice. Bin. That's massive. How did they get that? Literally, they got that. I think that's like a brand new bin. Jeez, that's so big. Garbage truck, pick it. It's going this way. Ah. I'm sorry guys that you can barely hear me, but it's okay. Because I'll put it on YouTube. Make sure to like, subscribe and click the notifications. Oh, also comment down below in the comments. The comments aren't going to be off, they're going to be on. Yeah, sister, my dad and me went trick-or-treating. Yeah. So, my name is James. And the new YouTuber in the whole entire world of Australia. Also, please don't litter, because littering is bad for the world. The garbage truck isn't littering, and that's good. Dang! there's 2 bins. Actually, no, 4. Because the 2 green ones and the 2 yellow ones. Because 2 plus 2 equals 4. Yeah. What's happening? Wonder what's happening there. Yeah. It's also dirty. Looks scraped and stuff. Oh no. Oh no. Dang. Sorry that I'm too slow on my scooter. Oh no, it's going the other way.